If you're tired of spending hours at the kitchen sink scrubbing bottles, pacifiers, breast pump parts, stacks and stacks of more bottles, this baby bottle washer is something you're going to want to see. It is a washer, a steam dryer, a sterilizer, and a storage unit that keeps the most important thing for your baby completely clean and ready, what the baby will eat from. This is the game-changing kitchen appliance for parents. Absolutely must have. Welcome to effortless daily cleaning. We're going to unbox it and look at all the parts. What I want to point out first is what it's not. It is not a complicated machine that you have to assemble. It comes out completely all together. It is packaged beautifully with lots of protective padding. We're going to take a look at it briefly here, and then we're going to dive into each and every part. This is the beautiful machine. It's big and spacious. Now, it's going to become your very favorite machine because it's all-in-one washer, steamer, sterilizer, and it is an effortless daily use that you can completely skip the tedious hand washing ritual and let this powerful machine do all the heavy lifting. We're going to break it down exactly how it works. Watch all the way to the end because we'll have a graphic that gives you an overview of all the benefits and why this is a must-have for parents. We're going to show you a full performance test showing how it handles tough dried-on milk and residue, and it's designed specifically for parents. This machine will offer internal water jets that blast away stubborn milks. You do not have to scrub them. Now, stubborn milk fat from every angle really needs a good scrubbing inside a plastic or a glass bottle. It'll reach deep inside the narrow neck bottles and complex breast pump valves. Once the intensive wash cycle is complete, it will automatically high temperature steam, sterilize, and eliminate 99% of harmful bacteria without using harsh chemicals. And finally, the built-in hot air drying system uses a medical-grade HEPA filter to dry everything completely, leaving your baby essentials perfectly clean, dry, ready for the immediate use. No more soaking or stacking, no more bottle brushes, no more wet bottles sitting around, drying on a rack, collecting kitchen dust. Let's look at this capacity, showing you exactly how many wide neck bottles and parts it can fit in here. It comes with everything you need. It has one plug to put in the back and one little hose to let the water drip in your sink, and that is all you have to do. It even comes with the washing tablets for the cleaning, a good 6-month supply, and they are orderable after that on Amazon. Now we're going to look over each piece of this machine. I want to point out here on the bottom, it has these 4 steady little feet with these rubber tips that help you keep it safe and upright on your counter, and it has a little filter here that is changed periodically, and there's instructions on how to do that and when that's needed. I also like that there's important information right on the machine, things that you need to know that you can keep right at your fingertips. This is a problem we're solving. If you're hand washing bottles, you will constantly have a stack like this next to your kitchen sink, and it will be a forever process. The last thing in the world you want to do after being up in the middle of the night with baby is to hand wash bottles. We're going to take care of that completely. Now we have this very large refillable water tank that slips right in the back of the machine here with the easy handle, and there you go. That's all you do is fill that with water, and we're going to show you how we stack the machine and how the great digital display works. Now let's break it down. This front piece is where the bottles go. We're going to take off the top. There you go. It's very large, and inside here are all these amazing pre-designed spaces that are engineered to reach inside of every bottle and sippy cup and all of the things that we're going to put in here. The water is designed to intensely wash each piece based on the position of the many water jets. Now, it's designed here for big bottles and small bottles. It also has this rack here that moves out of the way when you don't need it, but it slides in place when you do. Now look, we're going to put different size bottles, small ones, big ones. We're going to put in some sippy cups. All of the things that you will be using from newborn all the way up to toddlerhood. We have the nipples that go on top of the sippy cups and the bottles. There's spaces for those that are designed specifically for every piece that's needed in a nursery. You can also put cups in here, bowls in here, and even breast pump parts to clean them completely. This is an all-in-one parent machine that everybody needs that has a baby in their home. Down below all of the pieces is a heavy-duty spray arms at the bottom, in the middle to ensure a 360-degree clean. And we have a sample pack of the recommended water-soluble detergent tablets. Now let's talk about why this is a massive upgrade for your daily routine. The biggest benefit is a true hands-off automation. Traditional sterilizers only sanitize after you've already spent time scrubbing the bottles and cleaning them by hand. This machine skips the sink entirely, taking care of the pile on the right and completely cleaning everything that you have. You just dump any leftover liquid out and you place the bottles upside down as we've done here, and the high-pressure jets handles everything from wide neck bottles to complex anti-colic vents and even sippy cups. It uses intense heat, targeted water pressure to strip away stubborn milk, fat, and proteins that are left in the milk on the bottle interiors, and it usually leaves a foggy residue on the plastic. Well, once the wash cycle finishes, it immediately moves to a high temperature steam sterilization. The sterilization phase kills 99.9% of bacteria. My absolute favorite part is the drying cycle. It pumps heated air through a medical-grade HEPA filter so your bottles come out completely and bone dry, sterile. No more letting bottles sit out on a towel or plastic drying rack where they can catch airborne dust or pet hair. They go straight from the machine right back into your baby's mouth, completely clean and totally safe. When we put it back on, we're ready to go. It looks like a really cool espresso machine on your counter. It's got all the sleek rounded edges and it looks really great. You can remove all the stuff from the side of your sink and just use this machine. Now it has several different cycles that you can choose from. It offers a 30-minute standard wash, a 20-minute fast wash, a 20-minute wash only. It offers a 60-minute drying, a top cover alarm, a water shortage alarm, and 72 hours of sterile dry storage. Within the machine, it has 18 directional sprays and 16 swirling sprays, effective for everything you could possibly put in there. You can see the water washing, and I love it. It's warm, and the heat is self-contained, and it is just doing a great job. It is BPA free, and it's children product certified. It's also very quiet. You can see it washing here, but it's very quiet so it won't disturb your baby if he's sleeping nearby. It can even wash silicone tableware, silicone toothbrushes, teethers, and of course pacifiers. It finishes with my favorite part, the dryer. Sterilization and drying is absolutely the best. You can also pause it if you need to mid-routine. If you forgot something and need to put it in there, very easy to do, and you just simply resume where you left off. The drip hose is long enough to just put it near your sink and the excess water drops into your sink so you have nothing else to clean. Okay, let's take a look at our clean bottles. Here we go. It is finished and it has a 72-hour suggested time to store them in here, and you can leave them in here and let them stay perfectly fine, or you can take them out. And it is a little countdown so you know how long the machine has been finished. So let's see how great they look. Such a big cleaning area. We're going to put that right here. And look at this. So clean. Let's take a close look here. The bottles are beautifully clean and perfectly dry. I could feed the baby right now. All the different bottles, and you can tell this is a bottle that has a little bit of an amber tint. It's perfectly clean. And let's get one of the clear ones. Really, really clean. Excellent job. This is my Dr. Brown's bottles. And then my sippy cups, also clean and very, very dry. Super. And all of the different things, the nipples for the baby's bottles, the bottle tops, the pacifiers, all very, very clean and dry, sterilized and ready to go. All of these things, the parts for the sippy cups, the plastic parts, as well as the silicone nipples, all very, very clean. And let's look in this machine. It is completely sterile and clean. Now, I love that. What a great machine. I'm so, so pleased with this machine. Now, it was provided for my honest opinion, and I love baby products, and this is a game-changing product for families and parents. This is a must-have. You don't have this on your baby registry, you're going to want to add this to the baby registry because this is a game-changing thing you will use every day of the baby's life while they're feeding bottles and even into toddlerhood when they're using sippy cups. What a great machine. Let's put it back together so you can take a good look at it. Here it is, a complete dishwashing, sterilizing, drying, storage place for your baby's most important item that they'll use, their bottles. I highly recommend this great product. Please like this video and follow us for more from this great brand. AMZ Baby-Chef makes an excellent bottle washing, sterilizing machine.